Good news for the people of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. NGF 132 has brought a good business opportunity for you. And there is no need for franchise fees without any deposit with very low investment. Also, the NGF 132 organization is recognized by the Indian government. It is spread in 28 states and is in high demand in Nepal, Sri Lanka, Spain, USA, Hong Kong and Dubai. But our two Telugu states do not have lakhs of vehicles. The NGF 132 organization provides opportunities for franchising in every state. But there is no deposit. All you need to do is buy the QR sticker. Also, there is no expiry date for this QR sticker. If you buy it once, your life will become easy. Our house will be safe. There is no need for any physical store to do this business. You can do this business while staying in your house. The main purpose of this company is to save the people who are in danger in our country. The owner of the vehicle should be informed about the benefits of the sticker. When our vehicle is parked in the wrong parking, if anyone scans it, the owner of the vehicle will get a notification. When the car lights are on, a notification is sent. When anyone tolls our car, a notification is sent. When there are small children in the car, a notification is sent to the owner of the vehicle. When the car window is open, a notification is sent. When there is any problem in the car, a notification is sent. And more importantly, when the driver of the vehicle is in danger, he can inform his family members through the scanner. By doing this, you can take him to the nearest hospital and treat him quickly. But you will not find any personal details here, and you will not find any details of the person who sent the message. This app works only with the number of the customer. This is very safe too. All these features are only for 549 rupees. And lifetime validity. Those who have heard about these benefits will definitely buy this sticker because it has so many benefits. So there is no competition for this business as well. There is a huge demand in the market. Those who have purchased this sticker are showing very good response. Similarly, many politicians, police officers, movie stars are trying to make this sticker available to the public. They are launching a brochure. You have heard how many benefits this sticker has, right? For the distribution in your area, you have to buy stickers from 30,000 to 2,60,000. So the company is giving us the opportunity to earn 10 to 50 lakhs a month. You can get the umbrella, standby, demotables, t-shirts, badges, caps, pamphlets, brochures, books for free from the company. You can also train. You can also sell it through RTA agent, automobile shops or mechanics. This QR sticker is designed to withstand all the environmental changes with 549 rupees and lifetime validity as well. If you want more complete information, contact the following phone numbers: Telangana and Andhra Pradesh Head Office, Sangareddy District. Contact us immediately and get a franchise in your area and make a good profit.